Hey, Ressio users, I just wanted to show you really quick. Let me move this for you. When you go to your time clock under the company overview, you'll see that there's been a little bit of shift of the table. Up here, you can filter by worker, you can filter by project. You can also clock in and out up here on the right-hand side. I believe before it was over here on the left, but here you can clock in and out here. You can view shift left, and you can also record a shift. Also, that is new. On here on the far right hand side, you will see an actions. So here you can either approve the pencil, you can edit, and you can also delete here. This is for admins only. And also under the columns, you can choose to change the columns as you see fit, similar to how you can do it into the estimate and budget. So I wanted to call that out for you. So for instance, if you did have to come in and you had to change, you're in a draft for this project, you can hit the edit button and you can go ahead and it'll pop up and you'll be able to edit accordingly. You can submit and finish and add whatever you needed to do or even delete. So just to recap, things have changed over here. You have more like a spreadsheet, moving this around, as well as your total hours will be down here. And then your actions on the right-hand side. So kind of everything matches our other pages where most of your important things that you want to click are going to be over here on your right. Hope this was helpful. Any questions, just let me know.